Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I will be showing you how to delete WhatsApp account. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Now from the top right corner, tap on three dots. Go to Settings. Here you will see many options. Tap on the account. Then tap on Delete My Account. Now select your country. Provide your phone number. And tap on the Delete My Account button. Give your reason why you are deleting your account. Then tap on Delete My Account. Again tap on Delete My Account. And you will delete your account on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful and you are able to delete your WhatsApp account. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.